Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan bread. We will use simple ingredients readily found in any kitchen. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also gather 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a splash of plant milk for a golden crust. This recipe yields one delicious loaf. Gently warm 1 1/4 cups of water to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar, then sprinkle 1 packet of active dry yeast over the top. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes beautifully foamy. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour the activated yeast mixture and 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the dry ingredients. Mix everything until a shaggy dough forms, ensuring all flour is incorporated. Now turn your shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Begin to knead with the heels of your hands, pushing the dough away and then folding it back. Continue this process for 8 to 10 minutes, developing the gluten. Your dough will transform from sticky to smooth and elastic. To check for doneness, gently stretch a small piece. It should form a thin, translucent membrane without tearing. This indicates perfect gluten development. Lightly oil a large bowl, then place your kneaded dough inside, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp towel, letting it rise in a warm spot. This first proof takes about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the dough has doubled in size. Gently poke 2 fingers into the dough. If the indentations remain, it is ready. Now, punch down the dough to release the air, then gently shape it into your desired loaf for baking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.